Move to transactions next. So here we're going to go System, User Profile, Own Data, which will bring up this screen. Then if you go to Parameters, you'll see some information here. So as we go down, the first line will be your number, then FS. Second line, enter parameter value, your number, then PR, US dollars, this year. So right now it's 2019. Make sure that you have 2019 in the fiscal year. CHFS and 49, or your number, then PT. So make sure this is accurate. Then you can click on the Enter button. From there you can save it and go back to the easy screen. So that did create a new window for us. We can just close that window. Now we're going to move into the first transaction. So for here we can go Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Posting, enter GL account document, so this one here, which will bring us to this screen. Under document date, we will click on today's date. Then down in this area down here, the GL account number that we're going to use is 740000. We're going to debit from that account, and the amount is going to be 500. In the second account, we're going to use account number 100000. This will be a credit, and it's also going to be $500. So we also have to enter a cost center. So if we scroll over, right now we can't see cost center up here, but we can scroll over until we get to, just one second. So we need to scroll over to cost center until we see it in this area here. So under cost center, we're going to enter A040. So once we've added that, we can click on Simulate, which will bring up this screen. Everything looks good here, so we can save it. And at the bottom you should see a note that says document was posted. So to get out of this, we can back up out to the easy screen. Next thing we're going to do is verify. So if we go to Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Account, Display, Change, Line Items. Your screen might look at, well, and my screen looks different than the one that's in the printed copy. The setup here is fine. This is the way it should be. So under GL account, we're going to type in 100000. That is the pretend default account for this fictional company. And you should have your number, then FS in the company code. From here we can just click Execute, which will bring us to a screen that looks something like this. My screen looks different in, like what you see here, looks different than the printed copy. Go by this screen that you see. So from here you're going to do a screenshot and either show it to me in person or put it into the folder on the course website. So I'll pause for a second to let you do that. So once you've taken your screenshot, then select the transaction that was 500, so select that one. Then click on the display icon, so this button up here, which will show you this screen. Next you're going to click on the little hat, so the display document header, which will bring up this pop-up to give you some more screen. So entered by, you can see, should be your user number, when you entered it, and the date that you entered it. So we can just exit out of here and then click back until you get to the easy screen. Next we'll go accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, enter GL account document, in here for the document date we're going to click on today's date. The GL account that we're going to use is 740000 in the first line, so the first GL account line. It's going to be a debit, amount 15,000. Cost center, we're going to scroll over until we get to cost center, and it's going to be A040. Next line, we're going to use account 100000. This one will be a credit for 15,000. And we can click on simulate. So it gives us an error. This is okay. You may only post documents up to US dollars 10,000. So there's a warning in here saying that we're not authorized to enter transactions of that amount. And that is the end of transaction 1. Next we'll move on to transaction 2.